WhatsApp icon not showing. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your WhatsApp icon is not showing. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your WhatsApp icon is not showing, maybe on your home screen or app screen, but you're sure that you've installed it. First of all, to verify, open up your Play Store or your App Store, search for WhatsApp. If WhatsApp says install, it means WhatsApp is not currently installed in your device, hence the icon is not showing. So make sure to install it first. But after you install it, you see the open button and the WhatsApp is also working fine. But then on your home screen, you don't see WhatsApp. This could be because you've hidden the application icon. Depending upon the phone you're using, look in the hidden app section. On Samsung, I can tap the three dots icon, go to settings. Then I can go to this option called hide apps on home and app screen, and if I've added WhatsApp to a hidden app list, I simply need to uncheck it or tap the minus icon next to it to unhide WhatsApp application. Now if this is not working, you can try to restart your device to see if that's helped you. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.